Introducing the RYOBI TriPOWER Tripod LED light. The brightest RYOBI light to date with powerful 3800 lumens. TriPOWER technology uses any 18-volt 1+ battery, 40-volt battery, or extension cord. The 135-degree pivoting head and adjustable panels allow you to direct the light exactly where you need it. And the detachable 18-volt 1+ 360-degree LED light offers unmatched versatility with portable illumination. 4 brightness modes ensure you have optimal lighting for every situation. Pair the tripod with other compatible 18-volt 1+ lifestyle and recreational products and power up your adventure. The RYOBI TriPOWER Tripod LED light, powered by any RYOBI 18-volt 1+ battery, 40-volt battery, or extension cord. Exclusively at the Home Depot.